1,000 questions. That's right, 1,000 questions of public speaking that you have, and that one solution, the solution which will put all your questions to rest. I have. Yeah, I have that one solution of all of your public speaking questions. Question number one, I generally lose confidence while speaking on the stage to the people. Question number second, that I'm not really sure of what all content I should prepare majority time when I'm going to face the audience. Question number third, but I have to deliver a small speech at the ceremony of my cousin's marriage. What to say? I'm really clueless. I have one solution for all of these questions. Do you want to know what's that? Then stay tuned with me for next 5-7 minutes and know the solution. Last week I conducted a survey for you. I prepared one questionnaire, and the answers were given by not just my colleagues who work here with Pep Talk India, but by my students at Pep Talk India, the other people outside, my family, my friends, and my friends, which means acquaintances. So I collected a lot of answers. Those answers were not really surprising to me because of the experience what I hold over 5-7 years. I know exactly what kind of talk people generally enjoy listening to. I tried to categorize those answers, and finally I made peace with 3 different sections. Section number 1, the talk that teaches me. There should be moral when people talk. There shouldn't be formal talk. There should not be banal conversation when people stand on the stage to talk to the audience. So that category number 1, where there is something to learn, where there is a speaker who is there with the motive to teach the people. So the category number 2, that says we like motivational talk. We like the people who come and motivate us. Who gives a little bit of sympathy, in my words, and we feel, oh my God, somebody is there to feel my pain. So that's the second category. In one word, you can understand where there is emotion, there is imagination in the talk. People generally tend to believe and buy the talk. Category number 3, there people answer that, well, we don't need learning, and we neither want people to motivate us because we believe motivation is inbuilt. If you cannot motivate yourself, nobody else can motivate you. Well, we want people to let us have fun. We want public speakers to give us something that will not motivate but that will cheer us up. That is going to make our day. We want to unwind ourselves when we listen to speakers. We don't want any kind of pain. So these were the 3 different categories of answers what I received from the survey. Now then, you must be wondering, what is that one solution that you promised me at the beginning? I'm going to tell you, keep calm. Won't it be lovely? Won't it be really dream come true situation when I tell you that you can find the bridge among all these 3 categories? Yes, that one form of public speaking that will soothe and satisfy all these 3 categories of people, which means your job is done in public speaking arena, and that art is called art of storytelling. That's right, storytelling ability will make sure that all these 3 categories content what I talked about that you already have. You see what we have in storytelling. Number 1, stories where you tell people about the character who was suppressed at the beginning, then later on how character comes out as an underdog and wins over the world. Everyone loves such story, right? Now second, where I talked about the motivating stories. Stories are always motivating. Keeping in mind, I'm talking about the positive stories, alright? And third, stories have charm to bring roller coaster. Think about 3 Idiots movie. How it takes you to the, adventure, the adventurous ride. You like, sometimes there is a fun, there's a humor, then a little bit of motivation, you get pumped up, and then again, a little bit of problem, then the solution. At the end, you say, wow, what a great ride I had. Yes, storytelling. That storytelling will win over entire world in the arena of public speaking if you know how to do it. If you don't know, well, we do have videos on our channel Pep Talk India how to create an amazing story and how to tell amazing stories. You'll get the link, I guess, in the description below as well as at the end of the video. Yes. So do watch all those videos where we have talked about storytelling. And don't forget that while I'm talking about subscription, don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And don't forget to write in the comment section below that what kind of stories always motivated you, inspired you, and you always fell in love with those stories.